Hi, this is Randy Lee with Apex Tactical Specialties, and today we're going to talk about how you disassemble your particular frame to be able to use our duty carry action enhancement kit, our competition action enhancement kit, or even our forward set sear and trigger kit. The tools you'll need to disassemble your frame are a lightweight hammer like a jeweler's hammer and an 1/8 inch roll pin punch, which you can purchase at an automotive supply or a hardware store. Some other tools that can be handy to use are things like an Apex Armor's block and the Apex Tactical Armor's tray, which includes the 1/8 inch roll pin punch as well as a 1/16 inch hex wrench to be able to loosen the screw on your rear sight. Okay, now we're going to remove the Sear housing block. In order to do that, I need to drive out the rear coil roll pin. Once I do that, I can lift up right underneath the rear of the Sear housing block and lift the whole assembly up and out. In this case, the thumb safety will just slide off, and that is your Sear housing block. To remove the locking block, the first thing I need to do is remove the takedown lever, and that I do just by rotating slightly up, wiggling out, up and out of the way. Then I need to drive the front coil roll pin out of the frame. Finally, the trigger pivot pin needs to be removed, and that is driven from the right side of the frame to the left. So I'm going to use the Armor's tool to drive that out. Once that's done, I can use my roll pin punch to lift up on the locking block and pull that out. Now, there is a takedown lever retaining wire, and that's this small little spring wire piece that looks like a bent paper clip that's just held in by the slot in the locking block. So be careful about losing that. Now, once that's done, I can lift the trigger and the slide lock levers out. And now I have, with the exception of removing the magazine lock or magazine catch, that is the stripped frame. And that concludes the disassembly of the frame. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at www.apextactical.com. Thank you.